Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're gonna be talking about Village Farms. I don't know why the stock is running, but it's running right now. Village Farms, I decided to look into it. The few things I really like about it is its tight share structure. It only has 56 million shares, and it has a market cap of $449 million. According to my research, they don't actually sell any dry bud in Canada yet. At least I don't think so. I could be totally wrong. Comment down below. Tell me what kind of brands they sell, because I don't even know what kind of brands. I looked on the investor presentation PowerPoint and I don't see anything about a branding. But the stock ran today, and I decided to make a video about it just so I can get more of your guys' thoughts below on why it ran. Is this a pump and dump? Will this thing run back to $13, $14 US? If it did, I mean, shouldn't other companies benefit too? Like, Aurora and Afria going back to their all-time highs. Kron, Canopy going back to their all-time highs. Shouldn't that happen too? Or is this just like something that's, a bunch of rich people just decide to come in and pump the stock up? I don't know. At the end of the day, there's no news on it, I don't know. I'm not too familiar with the company myself, but yeah. Anyways, something I wanted to bring up: if Aurora announces an actual deal to acquire 49% of the Danish business, so they would own 100% of Aurora Nordic, I think that could skyrocket the stock depending on the deal that they get. But I'm just saying that could be a possible good new piece of news that Aurora could release to bring up the stock price. So yeah, I mean, Village Farms ran 10-11% today. After hours is up another 3%. So I really don't know. And then I looked at HMMJ to see, what kind of position HMMJ has for Village Farms, and it seems to be a fairly small position. They have about 1.86% interest in the entire portfolio. They have about 1.86%. So, obviously HMMJ don't really believe in Village Farms, or else they would make it a bigger part of their portfolio. Their biggest part is Canopy and GW Pharma, Kron, Afria, Scott Miracle-Gro, IPPR, and then finally Aurora. They even have Tilray on there, C-Web. So there's just so many other companies that that is above Village Farms. Maybe this is just my speculation, but maybe they sold off some of their Organigram, and then they decided to pump into Village Farms, and then a bunch of rich people saw that, and then they decided to pump their money into Village Farms. In my opinion, Village Farms, you could double your money, but you could also risk losing half your money. I say if the stock goes back to $3, there would be like a big buying opportunity, even like $2 and $2.23. That would be a huge buying opportunity. That's like a 200% growth if it bounces back to $6.80, or even $12 would be a 600-700% growth. But right now, the risk versus reward is not that appealing. You could gamble to double your money, or you can just play it as a swing trade. You can buy in, goes up 5-10%, sell out, and wait for a dip, and then just buy in, sell out. You can do that. You can do that too, or you can be a long-term investor, buy in now. I do not have a position with Village Farms. I don't plan to have a position. I might buy a little bit of Village Farms for fun, because my focus more on the stock market right now is on profitable companies, and Village Farms is profitable, and I still got a lot of research to do on Village Farms. But doesn't show a lot of confidence that Village Farms is only a 1.86% of the HMMJ portfolio. So that to me doesn't show too much confidence, but who knows? Whatever. That's the way the market works right now. As you can see, this is their website. They're like a vegetable grower. And, you know, I'm looking at the investor presentation. They have a lot of greenhouses. You know, but besides that, it doesn't look too appealing to me. So yeah, I do have their financials up here, right here. They currently have about almost like $13.5 million of cash. Total current assets of $50 million. With all these other like property, plant, equipment, investment in joint ventures. These are both pretty good. Notes receivable from joint ventures, that's also pretty good. Right of use asset is nothing. Deferred tax assets, nothing. Other assets could be something. So $193 million total assets is not bad, and their liabilities seems pretty good too. They don't have too much debt, only $28 million of debt, $55 million of liabilities. So in a balance sheet perspective, they're safe. And they are making money, but the thing is kind of confusing in my opinion. Their like financial statements are confusing. Cost of sale $32 million, gross margins negative $31 million. I don't understand that. Could you please explain that? And then somehow after, you know, everything, like all the expenses, they somehow come out to a net income of 4.19 million. Maybe this is what it means, that the revenue is 32 million. Everything else, I don't know. Actually, I don't know at the end of the day. I don't get it. I don't get their financials. They don't make any sense to me. Please explain in the comments down below. I'm a noob, so please explain to me in the comments down below their finances, but I don't get it. So, you know, I'm going to just move on, and I'm going to talk a little bit about what happened today. So today I went to Nova, and I ran across something called MK Ultra. It was a 24% THC. So I was like, whoa, 24%, and it was only $27. And I went to the Ontario online store to check, you know, what they were selling it for. And apparently it sells very well in Ontario because 3.5 gram is sold out, 7 grams sold out, 15 grams is sold out. And on the Alberta store, they only have 3.5 grams. I paid $27 for it, and they're selling it for $26. So, you know, it's still a pretty good deal I got it for. And then on the BC store, which kicked me out, you can buy 1 gram for $7.99, and you can buy 7 grams for $49.99. THC levels between 17 to 25%. The reason why I kind of like to go to stores versus going to buying it off the online store, you can't tell what is their percentage of THC level. You can only, you know, you can buy it and you can hope that they ship you some high THC products, but you can also I'd be unlucky and get like 18% or 17% or 19%. I got 24%, so I was pretty happy with my purchase for $27. I'd never seen this thing at 24% before, so probably gonna do an unboxing video for you guys. But yeah, just wanted to point that out. I think Aurora products sell pretty well overall. I mean, I was looking through their list of products. I didn't see too many Aurora products on the list. That means that, you know, either they sell well, or they don't, or Nova doesn't order too many Aurora products. I don't know at the end of the day, but you know, it seems like it's selling well. The Ontario store is out of stock, and the BC store is out of stock for the 3.5 grams. And the Alberta only has 3.5 grams, so seems like it's selling well. I don't know at the end of the day. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh my god, I almost finished it. Another 6 seconds. Yeah, 6 seconds. But Village Farms, let me know your thoughts. I don't understand the financials. They are making a profit somehow, but I don't understand. Like, I can't read it because it just makes no sense to me. But hey, profits is profits. So, and they have cash and very low liabilities, so they're pretty safe overall. And I wouldn't think, like, if you buy in this company, you probably wouldn't expect it to go bankrupt. But the risk versus reward right now is not that high because, you know, let's say if it, like, unless you think it'll break 17.94, right now it's sitting at $7.19, so that would be $16. So you could potentially more than double your money if you bought in tomorrow at, let's say, like 8 something. But you can also lose a lot too, because the stock could go back to $4 or even, you know, $3.29. It's risk versus reward at the end of the day. But right now it looks like it's uptrending, so I'd be a little bit more bullish than bearish. But you know, that's just me. We'll see what happens. But let's just look at the chart. Let's look at the chart real quick. It is uptrending. It's uptrending. It's starting an uptrend. Boom, uptrend. Especially tomorrow when the stock continues to run, it will create an uptrend. So can't hurt buying an uptrend, in my opinion. So do what you want, but it is uptrending right now. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.